Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about layers. So what is the layer? Layer are if we have two things here. Let's get another thing here, another sprite, and I am going to get, let's say, this ambulance. Okay. So we have an ambulance here, and as you can see, it is in front of our robot. Remember, whatever sprite we are using from here, the commands used here are going to be shown here. And you can see the icon here, small icon that shows what sprite we are using here. If I am going to click on robot, you can see all the instructions we have been working here. And in ambulance, we don't have any instructions here. Okay, so the point is we have two robots or two sprites or two characters here. So what we want to do, if I want my robot to come in front, okay, I have to click here, go to front layer, so my robot is in the front layer. And if it is I'm clicking here on back, go to the back layer, it is going back. So if we have more than one, okay, we can see here if we have more than one character other than our own character, means we have three characters, so we can move them forward or backward one layer at a time. Okay, so what is layer? Layers are basically two plastic sheets. If you have something printed on two plastic sheets and when you place them on each other, you can see the objects on both the sheets, because the plastic sheets, they are transparent and you can see through them. Only the thing is that the character or something that is printed on that sheet, it will be visible from both. And when we are moving one sheet, it is not affecting the other sheet. Okay, so if they were on the same sheet, if we are moving the car, the ambulance, the robot would have moved as well. But if I am going to click on the robot and move it, it is going to move and the ambulance is not going to move anywhere. So that's how we can move our characters or robots from top layer to bottom layer, whichever we want according to our game or something. If I want my car to be in front of robot, I don't want to see, maybe my robot is hiding behind the car, so I want it in the back layer. I don't want it in the front layer. So that's how we change the layers, and that's how we give them instruction to go behind something or come in front of something. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.